Hello, Typing.com educators. Our custom lesson sharing feature makes collaborating with colleagues easier than ever. You can now send any custom lesson to another teacher with just a single click. Let's walk through how it works. First, navigate to the Custom Lessons tab in your dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all the lessons you've created. Locate the lesson you want to share and hover over the share icon on the far right. A panel will appear with a unique link for that lesson. Just click Copy Link to add it to your clipboard. Now you can use whatever method you'd like to send this link to any other Typing.com teacher or administrator, whether they're in the classroom next door or in a different district. When another teacher or administrator clicks your shared link, the experience is seamless. They'll see a preview of the lesson and can add it to their own account with a single click. And if the recipient is an administrator, they can choose whether to add the lesson to their personal teacher account or to their admin account for district or school-wide use. A new, editable copy of the lesson will instantly appear in their custom lessons list, ready for them to use or modify without ever affecting your original. Custom lesson sharing is a powerful tool for collaboration. Head to your Custom Lessons tab and share your amazing creations with your team and the wider teaching community today. To learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.